Are you frustrated with your Ford F150's AC not blowing cold air? Let's fix that. The first thing to check is the AC compressor. It's the heart of your air conditioning system. If your AC isn't working, it might be due to a faulty compressor. First, start your F150 and turn on the AC. Listen closely. Do you hear a clicking sound? If not, your compressor might not be engaging. No click means no cool air. Next, check the refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can stop the compressor from working. Use a gauge to see if it's low. If it is, you might have a leak. Also, inspect the AC compressor clutch. It's a small part, but crucial. If it's not engaging, your compressor won't run. Lastly, take a look at the electrical connections. Loose or corroded wires can be the culprit. Make sure everything is properly connected. If all else fails, it might be time to visit a professional. Don't sweat it. AC issues are common, but they can be fixed. Remember, a little troubleshooting can go a long way. Stay cool and happy driving.